iQOO has officially teased the iQOO 15 Ultra, its next gaming-focused smartphone, offering a first look at the device's design and color options while also confirming its launch timeline in China. In a Weibo post, the brand confirmed that the iQOO 15 Ultra will make its debut in China in early February. The Vivo sub-brand also revealed the handset's design in 2 color options. The rear of the phone closely resembles that of the iQOO 15, but it features a honeycomb-like pattern on the back panel and a redesigned camera module. Notably, the lower section of the camera housing features vents for the phone's active cooling fan. Also visible are the pressure-sensitive shoulder trigger buttons, along with the power and volume keys on the right side of the device. The phone has been showcased in black and white color options, which will be marketed as 2077 and 2049, respectively. While the black variant features orange accents, the white option offers blue detailing. The iQOO 15 Ultra is rumored to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC and a dedicated Q3 gaming chipset. It is also said to come with a 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate,